All right, the Delta variant of COVID is surging across the country right now. Because of that, restrictions are back in place in a number of cities and states, and that now includes Los Angeles, where everyone, vaccinated or not, now must again wear masks in public. Here's Lauren Blanchard with the latest.
A new wave of COVID-19 is accelerating, fueled by low vaccination rates in some states and the fast spread of the Delta variant. The daily average now more than 28,000 cases, up from 11,000 just 1 month ago. Cities and states are starting to reimpose COVID restrictions, including Los Angeles, which reported more than 1,000 cases a day for 5 straight days. An indoor mask mandate is now back in place, whether you're vaccinated or not.
I'm all for wearing masks whenever necessary, and obviously there's an uptick in the number of cases in LA.
No, I don't want to do that. Not at all. I've got the vaccine. I'm good.
The Delta variant also prompting a CDC advisory panel to meet next week to consider giving vaccine booster shots to immunocompromised patients, including organ transplant recipients, cancer patients, and those living with chronic illnesses. The meeting comes as the White House continues its push to overcome lingering vaccine hesitancy and get shots in arms.
Let's see the statistics from the hospital. Let's see who's there. Turns out 99+% are unvaccinated.
The new spike in cases also having a big impact on sports. A Thursday night baseball game between the Yankees and Red Sox was postponed after several Yankees tested positive for COVID-19.
We are still vulnerable as the population is to obviously experiencing COVID. It's a fluid situation that could spread.
President Biden meeting with his COVID response team in the Oval Office on Friday for a briefing on the vaccination efforts. In Washington, Lauren Blanchard, Fox News.
All right, San Diego County public health officials say they will continue following state guidance on masks despite what Los Angeles County did as far as making that move to mandate them for everyone indoors. Today, we asked San Diego County Board of Supervisors Chairman Nathan Fletcher about the decision to stay in line with the state.
We're not going to do what LA did. Individuals should feel free to wear a mask. And if you're unvaccinated, it still is a requirement that you wear a mask. And so, we encourage people to make whatever choice they would like to make for their own safety. But in general, it's really important that we realize and understand that if you are vaccinated, the risk is incredibly low. And so that continues to be our number one message is the vaccine is free, it is safe, it is available. Trust your doctor. You don't have to listen to me. Trust your doctor. Get that vaccine.
What are the rules? People who are vaccinated are not required to wear masks in California indoors except for in limited settings like public transit, healthcare facilities, and schools.